Hi all viewers, welcome to my MSR channel. Easy performance boost up series. We are going to see two concepts. So one is searching index and the other one is defragmentation. First we have to see about the searching index concept. Just go to the settings, searching windows, click on that. Then come into the more search index settings. Just scroll down the page. Yeah, here it is, more search index settings. Then click the advanced search settings. So you can open that. You open the screen. Here it is showing the selected location. If you have the checked tick box on that showing drives, just uncheck it all. Here it is, all are unchecked. If you have the checked box tick symbol as seen on your screen, just uncheck all the boxes, especially Internet Explorer, history, all those things. Just uncheck it and then click OK and then close the page. So disabling the search indexing is for. The other one is this defragmentation concept. Here the same way, go to the settings, the search box, go to the system, just click it on the system. You have to go to the storage. Just scroll down. Here it is. You have to show more storage settings. On that, those lists, click on the optimized drives. Yeah, here it is. You can visible the drives defragmented on your system. So here you have to do the job on just a system files only. Just click it on the C folder and then click the optimize button. So the process will start. This will take some time, maybe 40 minutes to 1 hour, maybe more, based on your storage space on C. So it will take the long process. It will do the data can be arranged in the system files and just like that organized manner. So what are the data involved in the C system files? You can do it in manually and then you can set the automatic system. Just click the schedule optimization and then you can choose the option daily, weekly or monthly basis. You can choose the weekly is better for the optimization doing automatically. So okay viewers, That's all today. If you want more videos like this, just please subscribe my Techom MSR channel. I hope this video is very useful and valuable. So thanks for all viewers. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.